Flutter Mobile App Development Platform Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to our review of the Flutter Mobile App Development Platform. If you're exploring the best tools for building cross-platform mobile apps, stick around. Links to Flutter's official resources and additional tools are available in the description for your convenience. Flutter, developed by Google, is an open-source UI toolkit designed for developers aiming to create natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop, all from a single codebase. It's particularly suited for developers who want high performance, seamless user experiences, and fast development cycles. The standout feature is Hot Reload, which lets you see code changes in real time, speeding up debugging and iteration. This is a massive time saver for both small and large teams. Flutter uses the Dart programming language, which is clean, easy to learn, and optimized for front-end development. Its widget-based architecture means every element, from buttons to layouts, is customizable and designed to create modern, reactive UIs. A big win here is the rich set of pre-designed widgets that mimic native components while remaining fully customizable for a unique app look and feel. One of Flutter's biggest advantages is cross-platform support. Apps built with Flutter perform nearly identically to native apps, both in look and speed, thanks to its use of the Skia graphics engine. This makes it a go-to choice for startups, enterprises, and anyone needing consistent experiences across Android, iOS, and beyond. Flutter's ecosystem is robust. It offers extensive libraries and plugins to simplify adding functionalities like geolocation, payment integration, or notifications. Moreover, the strong community and frequent updates by Google ensure you'll have ongoing support and improvements. While Flutter excels at design and development efficiency, it's worth noting that Dart may have a steeper learning curve for developers unfamiliar with it. Still, the effort is worth it given the long-term benefits. In summary, Flutter is a powerhouse for mobile app development, ideal for developers, businesses, and creators who value efficiency, performance, and cross-platform consistency. Try it out using the resources linked below, and let us know about your experience in the comments.